This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
This procedure is performed on a water pump with a gasket type seal. Models with O-ring type water pump seals are similar, but not shown in this video. Wait until the engine is completely cool before beginning this procedure. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the remote ground terminal. Then isolate the cable by securing the insulated part onto the stud, then screw on the nut. Set the parking brake, raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Drain the cooling system. With the engine cold, remove the radiator cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant mixture as it's drained. Attach a suitable hose at the bottom of the drain fitting to direct the coolant into the pan. Open the drain fitting at the bottom of the radiator. Allow the coolant to completely drain out. Once the front of the vehicle is supported, remove the right front wheel. Remove the fasteners for the right front fender well splash shield. Then the splash shield. Remove the access cover and its fasteners to allow access to the drive belt and accessory pulleys. Using a wrench, rotate the drive belt tensioner counterclockwise to release tension on the belt. While doing this, slide the belt off of the pulley and remove the drive belt. Remove the water pump pulley bolts. Remove the water pump pulley. Remove the water pump mounting bolts and remove the pump. If necessary, tap the water pump lightly with a soft face hammer to break the gasket seal. Remove all traces of old gasket material from the engine and water pump, and be sure to fully clean the mating surfaces before installation. Install a new gasket, then carefully mate the pump to the engine. Install the water pump mounting fasteners and tighten them to 18 foot-pounds on 2.4 liter models, like this one. Tighten the fasteners again in a crisscross pattern until they all meet the required specification. Do not over-tighten the water pump mounting fasteners. Turn the water pump by hand to ensure that it rotates freely. Install the water pump pulley and mounting fasteners. Then tighten them to 80 inch-pounds. Install the drive belt. Rotate the tensioner with a wrench counterclockwise to release the belt tension. Then slip the drive belt over the pulley and remove the wrench, applying tension to the belt. Make sure the drive belt is properly seated on all of the pulley's grooves. Reinstall the belt access cover and its fasteners. Reinstall the right front fender well splash shield and its fasteners. Install the right front wheel and its lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle and tighten the wheel lug nuts to a torque of 100 foot-pounds. Connect the negative battery cable on the remote ground terminal. Refill the cooling system. Make sure the radiator drain plug is installed, then add the proper mixture of coolant into the filler neck until it reaches the radiator cap seat. Install the radiator cap. Add the same coolant mixture to the reservoir until the level is between the full hot and add marks. Run the engine and check for any leaks.